Welcome. Today, we will walk you through how to add work logs using our application WorklogPRO. You can open the Worklog dialog by clicking the Log Work option in the drop-down menu located in the three dots on the right side of the issue view. WorklogPRO dialog offers advanced customization options, allowing you to visualize a wealth of additional features and detailed information beyond the standard Jira dialog. If you open it in the issue view, the relevant issue will appear in the issue picker by default. There is a user picker field that determines who the worklog will be saved for. By default, the current user is selected, but if you have the appropriate permissions, you can select a different user. You can add multiple worklogs to an entire period at once by specifying the start and end dates. The options for the period are daily skipping weekends, and weekly. You can add a description for a worklog and copy it into the comment of its associated issue. You can also restrict the visibility of this comment. WorklogPRO offers accounts feature that provides an additional way to group worklogs. For example, you can create accounts to track budgets specific to a department or customer. Admins create the account options that will appear in this account field. All the subsequent fields are added to this dialog thanks to the attribute feature of WorklogPRO, which is used to associate additional information with worklogs depending on your use cases. For example, not every time spent is billable. You can add a Boolean attribute to specify which efforts are billable and which are not. You can specify the invoice ID to bill a client directly from the worklogs. Maybe you are paid for overtime. You can keep track of this. You may want to group the types of work done, such as testing or development. If you want to save another worklog, simply check the Log Another checkbox. This will allow the worklog to be created without closing the dialog, so you can save another worklog. After saving the worklog, you can view it on the Worklog tab of the Activity section in the Issue view, with the information specified in the WorklogPRO dialog. Additionally, you can open this dialog by using the Log Work option that appears when you click the Action button in the right-hand panel of Issue view. WorklogPRO improves the visibility of worklogs by displaying them in various report formats and charts. One of these features is the timesheet. You can log your work either by viewing your own timesheet on the Your Work page or by reviewing previously recorded detailed timesheets on the Reports page. The same worklog dialog can also be accessed through the Log Work button on the toolbar. If you choose this method, you'll need to select both the issue and the user for the worklog. Alternatively, you can open the dialog by clicking on a cell in the timesheet view. Both the issue and the corresponding date will be automatically selected. This simplifies the worklog entry process. Once saved, you'll see the change reflected immediately in the timesheet. If you'd like to copy some of your worklogs from a specific period to the next one, simply select the Copy to Next Period option from the Select box in the top right corner. In the dialog that appears, choose the worklogs you want to copy and click Log Work to finish the process all at once. Another great feature is the Calendar view, where you can see worklogs covering the relevant time cells based on the time spent. You can save the worklog by clicking on the relevant time cell. To move it to a different date, simply use the drag and drop method. If you hold down the Alt key while dragging and dropping the worklog into a new cell, it will create an exact copy of the original worklog. If you'd like to modify certain details while cloning, click on the worklog and then the Clone button. This will open a dialog with the relevant worklog info pre-filled, allowing you to make changes before saving the cloned worklog. To sum up, you can easily add worklogs in the Issue view, Timesheet view, or Calendar view, whatever suits your needs or preferences.